हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू ओसीएस बाय रंजन यूट्यूब चैनल। आज टॉपिक हूँ एंथ्रोपोलॉजी साइंस 2026 सीपीईटी क्वेश्चन पेपर को डिस्कसन करवा। जदि आपण मैंने सीपीईटी प्रिपरेशन करुँच टेस्ट सीरीज नवाक चाहूँगी कि ग्रुप रे जॉइन होगा चाहूँगी ताहले आपण मैंने ओसीएस बाय रंजन ऐप को डाउनलोड करें नहेले व्हाट्सएप रे मेसेज मध्य करें। नंबर टी हूँ 7978405181। देखिए फास्ट क्वेश्चन। A human blood group reported from India in 2025 is termed CRIB Bombay Kel RH null। फास्ट क्वेश्चन नो राइट आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए CRIB। ठीक अच्छे, ऑफिशियली आंसर कि आसी ना। जदि कौन क्वेश्चन आंसर भूल लगे कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करेंगे राइट आंसर टी कौन हो। ठीक अच्छे। क्वेश्चन 2। द एबीओ ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम वाज डिस्कवर बाय। एबीओ ब्लड ग्रुप सिस्टम टा किए डिस्कवर करथिले? आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी कार्ल लैंडस्टेनर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। roughly what proportion of the human genome consist of non-coding DNA? ठीक अच्छे, केते परसेंट कंसिस्ट करता है नॉन कोडिंग डीएनए? आंसर हम ऑप्शन डी 98.5%। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। मलेरिया इन ह्यूमन्स इज कॉज्ड बाय। मलेरियाटा ह्यूमन ने कहा द्वारा होता है? भाइरस, बैक्टीरियम, प्रोटोजोआन पैरासाइट, फंगस। आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी प्रोटोजोआन पैरासाइट। Number 5. During growth from infancy to adulthood, the number of bones in humans generally increase, decrease due to fusion, remain unchanged, first increase then decrease. 5 answer of option B decreases due to fusions. Question number 6. The book Descent of a Man was written by। बहिर लेखक किए? आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन डी चार्ल्स डार्विन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। डाउन सिंड्रोम रिजल्ट फ्रॉम व्हिच क्रोमोसोमल एबनॉर्मेलिटी? क्रोमोसोमल एबनॉर्मेलिटी या भितर कोथरे डाउन सिंड्रोम होता है? मन रखिए ट्राइजोमी 21। ठीक अच्छे, 21 पेयर रे ट्राइजोमी देखा जाए सेटा को डाउन सिंड्रोम कहा जाए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8। व्हिच सीक्वेंस करेक्टली रिप्रेजेंट टू टैक्सोनॉमिक क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मॉडर्न ह्यूमन्स? मॉडर्न ह्यूमन को क्लासिफिकेशन सीक्वेंस कोटाटे? आंसर हम मामालिया, प्राइमेट, आंथ्रोपॉइडिया, होमिनाइडिया, होमो सैपियंस। 9. ह्यूमन स्किन कलर इनहेरिटेंस इलुस्ट्रेट मोनोजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस, मेंडेलियन डोमिनेंस, पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस, कॉम्प्लीमेंटरी जीन एक्शन। 9 रो आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी दैट इज पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस। नेक्स्ट 10. कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट्स आर collectively categorized as macronutrient, vitamins, micronutrient, non-essential nutrient। आंसर हम macronutrient। 11. Traditionally the 3 major human racial group were classified as। racial group रो traditionally classified जो करा है तार ग्रुपटा कौन रहिबो? 11 आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर ए। ठीक अच्छे। 12. सॉरी एरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फेटालिस occur mainly due to incompatibility of ABO blood group, RH blood group, Lewis blood group, MNS blood group। 12 रो आंसर हम ऑप्शन नंबर बी RH blood group। 13. Which stage of meiosis most closely resembles mitosis? meiosis 1, meiosis 2, both I and 2I, neither stage। कोटा समान थाए? मियोसिसटा माइटोसिस रो को फेज सहित समान थाए। 13 आंसर हम मियोसिस 2I। 14. Adaptive radiation is best described as an example of divergent evolution, parallel evolution, convergent evolution, co-evolution। आंसर हम डाइवर्जेंट अडाप्टिव रेडिएशन टा डिस्क्राइब एज एग्जांपल ऑफ डाइवर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन 15 फाइलोसफी जूलॉजिक वाज रिटन बाय के लिखिले फिलोसफिक जूलॉजिक लिखिले के सॉरी 15 आंसर हम डी लामार्क लिखिले 16 arrange the following in decreasing genetic similarity to human decreasing order टा पचारछि आंसर हम सी 17 the anatomical range known as linea aspera occur on the femur humerus radius ulna answer of option A femur 18 human arm bat wings and whale flippers represent vestigial organ analogous structure evolutionary remnants homologous structure 18 answer of option D homologous structure 19 an individual with blood group O cannot have parents with a blood group B blood groups O blood group AB blood group 19 answer of option D AB blood group 20 the primate studied extensively by Jane Goodall is 20 answer of option C chimpanzee 21 arrange these bone from proximal to distal portion proximal to distal पर्यंत bone arrange करबा कहिछि आंसर of femur fibula tarsals phalanges 22 the fossil species often referred to as the hardy man in 22 answer of option B Homo habilis 23 Australopithecus africanus was first identified by प्रथमे तांको किए देखिले 23 रो आंसर हबो रायमंड डाट 24 MUAC and BMI are indicators commonly used to assess nutritional condition 25 the human vertebral column typically consists of vertebral column रे केतेटा vertebrae अछि और केतेटा bone अछि 25 रो आंसर हबो ऑप्शन बी 33 vertebrae 26 the synthetic theory of evolution integrates Darwin's theory with ecology physiology cytology Mendelian genetics 26 रो आंसर हबो ऑप्शन नंबर डी that is Mendelian genetics 27 a key characteristics feature of primate is the presence of ठीक अच्छे प्राइमेट मानकर की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स फीचर टा कौन आंसर होचे अपोजिबल थंब सॉरी 28 माइटोसिस generally produces माइटोसिस रे कौन प्रोड्यूस होता है आंसर हम टू जेनेटिकली आइडेंटिकल डिप्लॉयड सेल्स ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर 29 बॉडी मास इंडेक्स इज कैलकुलेटेड एज बीएमआई को केमिति कैलकुलेट करा जाए आंसर हम ऑप्शन बी वेट और हाइट स्क्वायर 30 जेनेटिक पॉलीमर morphism refers to genetic polymorphism refers to answer habo occurrence of two or more allele in a population 31 the term secular trend refers to religious change seasonal fluctuation sudden mutation long term generational changes in growth pattern 31 answer habo option D next 32 Kwashiorkor primarily result from deficiency of carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin C. 32 answer of option C that is protein. 33 fingerprints are useful for identification because they are changeable over time, permanent and unique to each individual. Similar in identical twins based on blood group. Answer is permanent and unique to each individual. 34. The cranial index is calculated as maximum breadth, maximum length into 100. 35. Sheldon's somatotyping system recognize three components. 36. Mutation theory of evolution was proposed by. Mutation theory के propose करते आंसर अब ह्यूगो डेब्रिस. 37. Homo erectus is commonly associated with. Answer is option B. Next 38. The process of hominization mainly involves bipedalism and brain enlargement. Option A is the right answer. 39. Acclimatization differs from adaptation because it is genetic and permanent, evolutionary, physiological and reversible. Long-term species change. 39 answer of option number C, physiological and reversible. 40. Allen's rule primarily explain variation in body mass, brain size, skin pigmentation, limb portion in relation to climate. 40 answer of option D. 41. Hunter-gatherer societies are typically characterized by permanent settlement, high mobility, surplus production, urban economy. 41 answer of high mobility. 42. Genetic drift has the strongest effect in. Genetic drift strongest effect कौट थाए कौट बेस देखा जाए स्मॉल पॉपुलेशन ने लार्ज पॉपुलेशन ने स्टेबल पॉपुलेशन अर्बन पॉपुलेशन. आंसर अब स्मॉल पॉपुलेशन. 43. Herbert Risley classified Indian population mainly using DNA analysis, linguistic feature, cephalic index, cultural traits. 43 answer of option D, cultural traits. 44. Canalization in growth refers to growth instability, catch-up growth, mutation, maintenance of a stable growth trajectory. 44 answer of option D, maintenance of a stable growth trajectory. 45. Catch-up growth generally occurs after केतेबेले हेई थाए कहा परे nutritional deprivation. 46. Ponderal index is mainly used to assess body personality in newborns. Marasmus is caused mainly by. Marasmus टा कौन होता है कौन पे होता है severe calorie deficiency. ठीक अच्छे ऑप्शन डी होगा राइट आंसर. 48. Conicity index is used to measure central obesity. 49. Which of the following is an example of sex linked trait? Answer is option B, hemophilia. 50. Darwin's idea of a struggle for existence was influenced by Thomas Malthus. Option A is the right answer. 51. The modern biological concept reject racial typology mainly because skull variation exists, culture dominates biology, DNA does not exist, human biological variation in continuous. 51 right answer of option D, human biological variation in continuous. 52. Mendelian genetics explain use and disuse of organs, environmental inheritance, particulate inheritance of trait, blending inheritance. 52 answer option C. 53. Mutation without natural selection would lead to directed evolution, random genetics variation, adaptive perfection, absence of variation. 53 answer of option number D. 54. In evolutionary biology, fitness refers to reproductive success. The approximate cranial capacity of Homo erectus is about. Homo erectus पाखरे cranial capacity पाखापाखि केते थाए 900 cc. 56. A well developed chin is characteristics of Homo sapiens. The out of Africa hypothesis suggests replacement with limited admixture. 58. A sagittal crest is absent in Homo sapiens. Increase in cranial capacity is associated with expansion of cognitive ability. 60. Prognathism decreases progressively from Australopithecus to Homo sapiens. Acclimation is defined as genetic adaptation, short-term physiological adjustment, cultural adaptation, mutation. 61 answer of option B, short-term physiological adjustment. 62. The Neolithic revolution is mainly associated with development of agriculture, urbanization, writing system, metal technology. 62 answer of option A, development of agriculture. 63. Hydraulic civilization are based on rain-fed farming, hunting, control of irrigation system, pastoralism. 63 answer of option number C, control of irrigation system. 64. Food gathering societies generally display surplus economy, class hierarchy, procurative system, egalitarian social structure. 64 answer of option number D. 65. Adaptation to chronic hypoxia typically involve increased red blood cell production, body fat, limb length, skin pigmentation. 65 answer of option number A, red blood cell production. 66. Ecological maladaptation can lead to increased morbidity. 67. Decline in mortality generally leads to, answer is option D, growth of population size. 68. During DNA replication, the enzyme responsible for adding nucleotides is DNA polymerase. Sheldon's somatotypes include 3 categories. 70. Stature estimation in skeletal analysis most commonly uses the, answer of option B, femur. 71. The main genetic effect of inbreeding is increased heterozygosity, increased mutational rate, increased homozygosity, increased migration. 71 answer of option C, increased homozygosity. 72. In growth studies a Z-score indicate करते हैं कौन, deviation from reference mean. 73. Waist hip ratio is mainly used to assess central obesity. Option A is the right answer. 74. The pubic symphysis is widely used for estimating sex, age, ancestry, stature. 74 answer of option B, age. 75. The ABO blood group system demonstrates multiple allelism. 76. Infant mortality rate refers to death occurring before 1 year of age. 77. The founder effect is a type of, founder effect गोटे टाइप रो कौन, नेचुरल सिलेक्शन, जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट, म्यूटेशन, जीन फ्लो. आंसर हम जेनेटिक ड्रिफ्ट. 78. Body adiposity index estimate body fat percentage, bone density, height, muscle mass. Answer of body fat percentage. 79. The replacement model predict minimal gene flow between modern human and archaic human. 80. The scientific study of human growth is called ह्यूमन ग्रोथ्र साइंटिफिक स्टडी को कौन कहा जाए? ऑक्सोलॉजी। 81 cells infected by viruses release which substance to inhibit viral replication? Answer is option B, interferon. 82 consanguinity is strongly associated with? 82 ର answer ହେବ option A, that is autosomal recessive inheritance. 83 the study of distribution and determinants of diseases is called? Epidemiology. 84 a surrogate mother refers to? Surrogate mother कहले कौन बुझो ना? a woman who carries an embryo for another couple. 85 variables that can be measured numerically are known as? Quantitative variables. 86 alkaptonuria result from deficiency of homogeneticate oxidase. 87 the chromosomal constitution of Klinefelter syndrome is? Answer C is the right answer, that is 47XXY. 88 the term anthropoid refers to a group including monkeys, apes only, humans only, apes only, apes and human but not monkeys. Answer is monkeys and apes only. 89 the correct sequence of vertebrae from head to tail is? Answer is option A, that is cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacrum, coccyx. 90 the reappearance of ancestral trait is called? 90 ର answer ହେବ option A, atavism. 91 Lamarck's evolution idea were presented in? Answer C, sorry 91 answer C. 92 immediate response to cold exposure includes? Option D, vasoconstriction. 93 age related deterioration in organism is termed? Option B, sensations. 94 sickle cell anemia is caused by? Mutation in the B globin chain. 95 evolutionary change require? Answer of option D, heritable variation. 96 natural selection acts primarily on phenotype. 97 pre-19th century idea about human origin were largely based on? Option B, religious beliefs. Next 98 eco-sensitivity refers to? Responsiveness to environmental condition. 99 urbanization generally increases? Population density. Option C is the right answer. Last one energy flow in an ecosystem begins with? कोट स्टार्ट होता है प्रोड्यूसर पाख. ठीक अच्छे यहाँ हूँ आंथ्रोपोलोजी साइंस क्वेश्चन CPET 2026 रो. ठीक अच्छे जदि आपण मानू कौन क्वेश्चन आंसर भूल लगुच कमेंट सेक्शन में ठीक उत्तर को कमेंट करूँ. आउ जदि बैच रे जॉइन करने को चाहूँगी OCS बाय रंजन ऐप को डाउनलोड कर जॉइन हो पारे ना आम व्हाट्सएप नंबर रे मध्य मेसेज कर जॉइन हो पारे. नंबर टी हूँ 7978405181. नमस्कार, जय जगन्नाथ.